Hello, my name's Colin MacLeod, celticfiddleguru.com, and I'm one of the tutors at the San Antonio Inaugural Scottish Fiddle Workshop, which is taking place in San Antonio, Texas on Saturday, the 1st of November. Now, I'd love to speak to your principal at your school, or it could be the head of the music department, or perhaps the director of the orchestra, about any students who might be interested in joining us at this Scottish and Celtic Fiddle workshop. They're going to learn aspects of playing by ear, playing Scottish and Celtic Fiddle in their own voice, about decorations, and they're going to meet some absolutely fabulous people there, including children from other schools. So if this is something of interest to your school, sign up below, and I look forward to being in contact again soon. Bye for now.